So how bad are the floods in China? We do have the latest report from today, Tuesday, the 9th of July, 2024, from this area in China. You can see a city here, and I'm going to do the very bad pronouncing, Zhengzhou, something like that. And let me show you a small clip for a couple of seconds what it's like for the real people in real China. This is not from mainstream media, this is from netizens in China who are recording this on their phone. The quality is not the best in the world, but you can see what it's really like. We do all pray for the people who will be suffering these floods and hope that they will subside very quickly so people can go back to their normal life with that. And again, I repeat time and time again, this happens every single year in China, and it's just due to the bad drainage system, which they just don't do anything about. Spend the money on prevention rather than the rescue services afterwards. But year after year, they do sweet, I'm going to use bad words, sweet FA. This is China for you. This is the dark side of China, and this is something that the local residents in these flood-prone areas have to suffer every single year. They can't move because maybe they don't have enough money to move, so they have basically no choice but to suffer. Welcome to China. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.